Hello guys, welcome back to Exeter Estate. Today we're doing our AeroBarrier sealant. So to explain this to you, so basically what we're trying to accomplish on this house is we're trying to have a very tight building envelope. A tight building envelope has a lot of benefits. It allows you to control what's coming in the house. So if you think about it, like you got a water bottle, you poke a bunch of holes through it, there's no way for you to control what's inside there. So same thing, we got our house. If we want to be able to control the temperature in here effectively, we want to be able to know what air is coming in. And in Arizona, when it's 120 degrees outside and you're trying to keep your house at 72, there's a huge variation in temperature. And so we don't want any of that outside air coming in. And just the way physics works, if we got negative pressure on the inside of the house, everything from the outside is going to want to come in. So one of the ways that we do that, and one of the ways that we can try to accomplish that, is a product called AeroBarrier. And so AeroBarrier is like an acrylic-based sealant that is in a liquid form. And what we're going to do with this house, we've got guys prepping everywhere. They're masking off all the windows, covering any horizontal surface, so that we don't get any of the AeroBarrier on stuff and leave it there. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put a bunch of fans on this house and pressurize it. So we're gonna fill it full of air so that we've got negative pressure to the outside. And so then the air is gonna wanna go out of the house. While we do that, that liquid acrylic sealant gets mixed with vapor and basically becomes like a mist that'll just sit in here, and it's gonna find every little hole on the outside of the house. And then that sealant's gonna travel through and it's gonna go ahead and it's gonna stop those up. It's gonna slowly start to fill every single hole in this. And so we'll be able to then run a blower door test at the end of this and see how many air exchanges per hour we get. And we're targeting to whatever our number is at the beginning of our test, we're targeting to cut that in half so that we go ahead and we have a nice tight building envelope that then we can control. And we have, like, we know where the air is coming from. So then we have ERVs throughout this house, which are gonna be able to bring fresh air into the house, but we'll be cooling that. So we won't have all these issues with trying to take that 120 degree air and keep it outside of our 72 degree house. So we'll kind of show you guys how that works. We'll show you guys the tripods. We'll show you all the lines and stuff and kind of give you guys a sneak peek as to how this product works. And it's super awesome. We're big fans of it, and we're gonna get this thing super airtight. All right, so this is the mechanism that we introduced the AeroBarrier as a vaporized, or not vaporized, but a mist that's gonna allow it to be airborne and go and seal all those areas. So basically, this center tube here, that's where the acrylic sealant goes. And then these are our air hoses. And so kind of similar to like a misting system, you'll have a little nozzle there, and that's gonna allow it to come out as a mist. And it's super, super fine. It's about the 1/10 of the diameter of a human hair. So super fine particles that are gonna go everywhere in the house. And so basically, yeah, air and acrylic sealant mixing together, going out in a mist, and that's gonna go everywhere and seal up all the cracks.